Okay, proceeding further, we come to the next concept, which is geometrical interpretation of scalar product. Means in geometry where you can use or apply the scalar product. Okay, for this the concept is projection of a vector on a line. Okay, now for this consider this diagram. In this diagram you are having OA. O is the origin or reference point you can consider. You are having OA. For this OA the vector is vector A, means OA is equal to vector A, then OB is equal to vector B, and theta is angle between them. And theta is angle between them. Okay. Now from this point B we are drawing BM, which is perpendicular on OA. From point B we are drawing BM, which is perpendicular on OA. Okay. Then this distance, length OM. Length OM. This is projection of vector OB on line of OA. This is projection of vector OB on line of OA. Okay, this length OM, it is the projection of vector OB. ये जो वेक्टर OB है इसका प्रोजेक्शन आएगा ये. ओके, दिस लेंथ, दैट इज द प्रोजेक्शन. ओके, इस प्रोजेक्शन की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए स्केलर प्रोडक्ट का यूज किया जाता है. टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्शन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इज यूज्ड. नाउ सी, फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल OBM, okay, if we take cos theta, then this cos theta, it will be length OM upon length OB. ये आपका राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. हम cos थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड कर रहे हैं, तो cos थीटा में दिस विल बी लेंथ OM अपॉन लेंथ OB. दिस गिव्स यू लेंथ OM, दिस इक्वल टू लेंथ OB इनटू cos थीटा. लेंथ OM, इट इज नथिंग बट प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर OB on line of OA. We have this. Okay, and this is nothing but it is length OB. Length OB को आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, mod OB cos theta. Length OB means mod of vector OB, because from O to B the length, it is nothing but the magnitude of the vector OB. This will give you this equal to mod vector OB into mod vector OA cos theta upon mod vector OA. Now what we have did, we have multiplied with the magnitude of vector OA. यहाँ पे हम mod vector OB into cos theta मिल रहा है. What we are doing, we are multiplying with the magnitude of vector OA. So we get this. Okay, this can be written as mod vector B into mod vector A into cos theta upon mod of vector A, and this is nothing but vector A dot vector B upon mod vector A. We get this. Okay, because this mod vector B into mod vector A into cos theta, it is nothing but it is vector A dot vector B. Okay, ये जो पार्ट आ रहा है, it is nothing but it is vector A dot vector B. और if you want you can write it in this form. आप चाहे तो यहीं लिख दीजिए, this is vector OA dot vector OB upon mod vector OA, and the next step, mod vector OA, it is vector A dot vector B upon mod vector A. Okay, and what is this? It is projection of vector B on the line of vector A. See, projection of vector OB. Vector OB is nothing but vector B on line of vector OA, on line of vector A. Okay, now in the reverse, if you have to find projection of vector A on the line of vector B, means you have to find this projection of vector A on line of vector B. If you have to find this, then it will be vector A dot vector B upon mod vector B. Okay, reverse case. Here we have found projection of vector B on the line of vector A. We are getting this to be as vector A dot vector B upon mod vector E. If we take the reverse case, means projection of vector A on the line of vector B, we will get vector A dot vector B upon mod of vector B. Okay, so this is the concept of projection. What is projection? You consider this diagram here. This is your vector OA, this is the vector OB. Theta is the angle between them. From point B we have drawn BM perpendicular on OA. Then this length OM means point of reference जो O है वहाँ से लेकर M का जो distance है, this length OM, that is known as projection of vector B on the line of vector A. Okay, please note it down.